Hello everyone, this is Nori here and welcome back to my Nori's Land and good morning. I can't believe I'm saying this, but it's my first day of my third year as a student here in Thailand in Bangkok University International. It's a little bit cold in Thailand.
This is standard.
Time's really fast, right? I feel like just yesterday, like packing my bags and moving here. Now it's 2 years have already passed. I can't still believe myself as well. So this semester is a little bit special because it's my last semester before my first internship. So I'm so excited and a bit nervous about my internship as well. Anyway, I didn't vlog much during my last semester. So this year, I'm making it a goal to share more about my life here, like studying, living, and just experiences in Thailand. I hope you guys also enjoy my vlog in this channel as well. I hope you guys support me more vlogs. So welcome to my first vlog of this year and this semester. Right now it's 9 a.m. I don't have to go a class on campus, but I have a assignment, very first assignment from our very first class. It's a video for course introduction, so I have to watch this. Before watching this breakfast first, I don't have anything to eat at home right now, actually. So let's find something at the convenience store. It's a little bit cold in Thailand. Just wash my it's 21. A bit cold and feels so good. My simple breakfast from dumplings and smoothie.
Sections. First one, the behavior and personality grooming for following the rules. So
Grooming. Now you
where
have
that's
to.
all just
I will explain that. Like, you have to be a full personality and grooming at 8:40 a.m. sharp. My class this class will start at 8:40, and you have to prepare with a full grooming. Bit stressful for me because it's really early, right? Early with a full makeup and a full hairstyle and a dress code. And then the difficult one is wearing a high heels. Really hard for the whole day. That you have to stand the whole day. This is our struggle in hospitality field. So you can believe that I have a pre-test on my first day. Let's whip something up for lunch. just finished my lunch. It's 1:47 right now, so I have to go 2:30. As well, send makeup. Normally, I don't wear makeup on a normal university day because I don't have time. But I think this semester we have a personal grooming classes, so I have to wear makeup every morning. So let's wear a makeup, let's wear sunscreen and some daily makeup on. This is my final look of
가끔 모르는 게 하나 있는데 나 그리 좋은 사람 아니야. 물론 짐작은 하고 있어 너도 많은 좋은 사람 아니고. 사람들은 그냥 그저 똑같아. 땅바닥에 붙어있어 천사는 못 돼. 그래 처음이라 좋은 것뿐인가. 우린 그런 사람 아니야. When I see you babe, when I see you 더 하늘나올라 기쁨이 들어. Hold up, light me up, you lift me up, bring me back to wings of light. Oh, hit me back with the wings of light. Rocket burn my lights erasing my pen up and something 너 자꾸 숨겨. Somewhere deep down this world can take me. You'll be my good thing. You'll be my good thing. You'll be my good thing. 'Cause no matter how deep down this world can take you, I'll be your good thing. I'll be your good thing. I'll be your good thing.
These are the new classrooms that just opened this year. Last year, these floors were under construction, and now, look, everything's brand new. The lounge is so modern, and the classroom is super cool. Honestly, juniors, you guys are so lucky. The lounge is really nice, right? This is our library building, and the classroom we just saw are on the upper floors of that building. This is our shuttle bus to around the campus. I will show you guys the best part of our university. It's sunset. It's really pretty, right? So that's it for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to share more of my vlogs this year. So I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.